What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. We are doing another install video. We're gonna be installing some Kemi Moto passenger floorboards. So I want to say a big shout out to Kemi Moto, man, for partnering up with the channel again. And so let's go ahead and I'll show you exactly what comes in the box, and then let's get to it. See you in a minute. All right, kinfolk. So what we got here is the actual box, right? When you open the box, of course, you're gonna have your instructions. I already took out one of the floorboards. You're gonna have some foam with the packing. You'll also get all your mounting hardware here, and then you'll also get your floorboards, which is packed really nice. It's in the foam. So let's take a look at these floorboards real quick. So on the floorboards, man, they are super thick. Like, these things are heavy duty. Let me tell you, they're gonna fold up just like your stock ones, but look how thick that stuff is. The floorboard pad is just like the stock one. So that's what I have on there now. And so these are gonna match perfect. You got your mounting bracket holes here. They look super durable, so I can't wait to get them on and have Mello try them out. Fortunately, Mello's not here right now. That's why I'm trying to record everything by myself. You know, I always got my camera crew, AKA Mello. So what we're gonna do next here on the bike, man, we're gonna go ahead and take off your foot peg. So that's what I have now, stock foot peg. I also like how Kemi Moto sends black hardware with that, right? So you can choose black or chrome hardware, I believe is what it is on the website. But this is gonna be black hardware, which is gonna match nice. So we're gonna take these off. Today we're gonna be using just a 3/8 ratchet with a 1/4 inch Allen head, right? And go right in there and pop these out. That one's different up top, 1/4 at the bottom, and get a different one for the top. All right, kinfolk, so like I said in the package, man, you're gonna get your bolts already, which you're gonna have a 3/8 16 bolt, 5/16 by 18, and a 3/8 16 bolt as well, right? So you're gonna have different ones here. This one with a shoulder, this has got a shoulder, this one does not have a shoulder. And then you've got your two lock washers, okay? So what you're gonna do is the ones with no shoulders, 2 lock washers, it's gonna go up top, and then you're either gonna have your 5/16 18 or 3/8 16 bolt at the bottom. And of course, we're going to use Loctite as well. So you always want to make sure you do that, all right? Okay, we're going to start by taking these two off. Might be better if you can actually have a Allen with a ball end on it, because it's up here. If you don't, I'm afraid that you wouldn't be able to get your Allen off in here. Of course, unless you've got a shorter socket or maybe even a T-handle. To where you don't have all this here. But let's go ahead and take this stuff off first. And yeah, man, I've been looking for floorboards, passenger floorboards, for a while. Mello doesn't like the foot pegs, so passenger floorboards are always good. More comfort for your passenger area for them to put their foot. Okay, so this is gonna have a washer, lock washer in your bolt, right? And of course, it's got factory Loctite as well. And then the bottom one, the 1/4, oh shit. Make sure it doesn't fall and hit your, and this is gonna adjust as well. So that'll adjust for your height of your passenger. Okay, got that out. So this one's also gonna have the shoulder, right? So you just gotta know which one you're gonna go back with. So out of the 2 bolts with the shoulders, this one's your smaller one. This is a thicker one. So this smaller one, diameter-wise, is gonna be the one that goes into here. So that's gonna bolt in there like that. Your one without the shoulder is gonna go up in here. So let's get some Loctite on these real quick. So again, we're gonna go ahead and put Loctite on here, even though it has a lock washer. And we're gonna put Loctite on the other one as well. If you can, man, clean those threads out. Oh, wait a minute, look, I was already gonna mess up. When we go to put these on, it's gonna be, the way this is shaped, It's gonna be a left and a right, okay? So you're gonna want this floorboard to follow the same shape as your rider floorboard. So this is not gonna be the same as that. You see that? So we're gonna take the other floorboard, and this is gonna be the same shape as that one. So make sure you got the left and the right separated. So now we're gonna go back the bolt, and we're gonna get that snugged up so we can still put the bottom bolt in. So again, this one just has Loctite on it, and that into there. Oh, so on these, it's actually gonna be the same size. So you're gonna have the 5/16 for both. Okay, we'll come back to the top one. Check it out. Look at that, man. Super slick. Hell yeah. So then when you fold them up, that's what they look like underneath. Got the ball bearing in there. Gives you a little clack. Let's see. Let me get on here and see what happens. Oh yeah. Definitely a lot more footing lengthwise. That way you're not having just that peg sitting right in the middle of your foot. That's nice, man. That's real nice. And they match perfectly. I mean, if you look at here and there, I mean, it looks really good. We'll try to, whenever I get on or get done, once I get done installing them, the other side, I'll go ahead and jump on the bike and see how far they stick out. That's gonna cause an issue with me pushing the bike, right? If I had to back the bike up, or if I'm at a stoplight and I have to put my feet down, if it's gonna affect my leg as far as hitting my leg. So we'll check that out here in a little bit as well. All right, well, let's do the other side, and then we'll be done, man. It's a super easy install. Sheesh, super easy install, and it doesn't take much time at all. So let's get this other side done, and we'll show you that as well. Take your 5/16. Man, that top one. I'm here in Texas, man, and it's super hot. It's only 8:19, and it's probably almost 90 degrees already. Make sure you get it good and tight. There you go. There we go, kinfolk. Look at that, man. So nice. Yeah, that looks really good. Again, man, KEMIMOTO, what I've gotten from them has been super good quality. I mean, it does what it says it's supposed to do. They match up nice. Can't go wrong, man. Super easy install, quick, and it looks really good. So let's check this out. So I'm gonna set you down here, and then we're gonna look to see if this is gonna affect me whenever I'm having to push the bike around. So I've got both floorboards up if I'm having to move it. So they do, I mean, they are gonna stick out further than your stock pegs, but I mean, if you get a wider stance, you'll be good, you know what I mean? But if you're used to trying to push like this, it's definitely, yeah, it's not gonna work. You have to get out and push a little, just like that. But I mean, it's not to the point, you know, that it's gonna bother me. Now with them down, of course, you know, they're definitely gonna be, if you're gonna wanna move the bike with your feet without having the bike running, then you're definitely gonna wanna make sure they're up, you know what I'm saying? And then that way you can move it around. So, but yeah, I like it. I really like them, kinfolk. They look really good. They look real good. So I'm digging it. So again, Kemi Moto, I appreciate all the support, man. Appreciate you teaming up with the channel. So Kemi Moto Floorboards, I'll leave the link down below if you want to go check them out, man. That way you click the link, take you straight to them. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments, and I hope to see you in the next one. So until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.